Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you exactly how to fix the startup repair couldn't repair your PC or blue screen loop problem on Windows 11 and get your system booting normally again. We'll walk through two powerful proven methods to resolve this issue step by step. If this tutorial helps you save your PC, make sure to smash that like button, subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification bell so you never miss another useful tech tutorial. Alright. Let's jump straight into it. First things first, from this error screen, click on the Advanced Options button. Next, when the Choose an Option screen appears, select Troubleshoot. Inside the Troubleshoot menu, click on Advanced Options. Here, you will see 6 different options and each one serves a specific function. Let's talk about the first one, System Restore. This feature can completely fix your PC if you have previously created a restore point on your device. When you click it, a wizard will open. Now, I personally haven't created a restore point on this machine, so it will show an error message like this. But if you do have an available restore point, you can simply click Next, follow the prompts, and your problem will be fixed immediately. However, since most Windows users don't usually have restore points ready, let's click Cancel, go back to Troubleshoot, and select Advanced Options again. If this blue screen loop started happening right after a recent Windows update, your best bet is to select the option to go back to the previous version, meaning returning to an older, stable build. But if this error appeared suddenly out of nowhere, we need to dive deeper. Click on Command Prompt. Now we have successfully opened Command Prompt. Carefully follow each command with me. First, type CHKDSK/F/RC:, then press enter. This command will scan your drive for physical disk errors and automatically try to repair them. The process may take a few minutes, so be patient and let the scan finish completely. Once the scan is completed, type C: and press enter. Now type cdc:/Windows/system/32/config, then press enter. Next, type md backup, press enter. Now type copy **backup, then press enter. If it asks for confirmation, simply select all. If it doesn't ask anything, just continue. Now type md backup 1 and press enter. Make sure there is no extra space in the folder name. After that, type copy **backup 1, press enter. Again, if it asks yes, no or all, choose all. Now type cd regback and press enter. Then type dira, press enter. Now type copy **, and press enter. If it asks for confirmation, select all. If not, simply continue. Next, type bootrec/fix mbr and press enter. Then type bootrec/fixboot, press enter. Now type :bcdedit/export C:\bcd backup and press enter. After that, type :attrib C:\bcd-h-r-s, then press enter. Now type :ren C:\boot/bcd-bcd.old and press enter. Finally, type :bootrec/rebuild bcd, then press enter. Once everything is completed, type exit and press enter to close command prompt. Now click on continue to restart your PC. This time, your computer should boot normally without the srttrail.txt error. But if the issue is still there and you're still looping, don't panic. The next step is manually uninstalling the latest Windows updates. Sometimes, after updating Windows to a newer version, some updates may contain bugs or corrupted files that can cause your PC or laptop to crash repeatedly and enter the startup repair loop. Click on Advanced Options, then select Troubleshoot. After that, click on Advanced Options again. Now select Uninstall Updates. Here, click on Uninstall Latest Quality Update. Wait a few moments for the uninstallation process to complete entirely. Once done, restart your PC and the issue has been fixed. And that's it, guys. This is how you can easily fix the startup repair couldn't repair your PC or blue screen loop problem on Windows 11. If you have any questions, feel free to write them down in the comments below. I read and reply to as many as I can. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.